Welcome back to Stop Saying series. Today we're learning how to stop overusing my in English. Using my too much can make your sentences sound repetitive and unnatural. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to replace it with more natural phrases. And before we start, if this helps your English, subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Part 1. Replacing my with possessive nouns. Instead of saying, my brother is tall. My car is new. You can say, the brother of mine is tall. The car I have is new. This sounds more formal and precise, especially in writing. Part 2. Using adjectives or articles instead. Instead of, my favorite movie is great. Try, the favorite movie of mine is great. This favorite movie is great. Notice how removing my and using the this can make your English smoother. Part 3. Replacing with of plus pronoun structure. Instead of, my friend's opinion is important. You can also say, the opinion of my friend is important. This is particularly useful for essays or presentations. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.